Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you want to make the, let's say, the summary from the video like this? For example, this is the video from the Dan Davis history. Thank you, Dan Davis. And in this video is presenting about the Vlad the Impaler, the true story of the Dracula, or the history of the Dracula. However, the length of the video is almost 1 hour, and if you would like to create the summary, it might take really long time to summary by watching every single detail in this video. So here I will show you the fastest or the faster way to create the summary from this 1 hour video into the text, guys. It is very easy. So the first step you can do, you can access this NoteGPT.io first, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email, guys. And in this season of the Halloween, you can also get the discount 50%, and you can continue to click get discount over here, and you can choose the package that you can use, like the annual or yearly, and also the monthly, guys. Which one do you prefer? And after that, you can continue to click upgrade now. However, if you would like to purchase this package in another day, it is very okay. You can simply close it, and you can still have the chance to create the summary for free from the YouTube video, guys. So this is the look of the home page, and since we would like to create the summary from this YouTube video, so you can start to copy this link, and you can go back to this NoteGPT.io. And after that, you can continue to click YouTube here. So in this section, you will see that these tools will help you to transcribe and summarize the YouTube video with ease. And you can put the copied link into this section, and you can continue to click this transcript and summarize now. Click this, and after that, it will take maybe 1 minute to transcribe and also summarize it, and it will show you the section like this. This is the transcript about every single message that being informed in this video from the first minute until the last minute. And also there is the chapter. You can wait for it until it will be uploaded into this section. Basically, the chapter will also share you every single point that being informed into this video, guys. And after that, on the right section will be the summary itself. You can also use the mind map to, let's say, know the pattern of this information, guys. If you go back to this summary, you will see the information very complete about this video, and also show you the highlights from the specific minutes, like this. On the 2nd of 38, it will be about the discovery of a forest of 20,000 impaled Ottoman captivates before Tango Fisher, breaking the Ottoman siege. And also the key insight of this video, or the point, or the special point that being told in this video, like the psychological welfare of impalement, the captivity's role in shaping Vlad and Radu, and many more, guys. And also the conclusion. And you can also simply copy this whole summary. You don't have to block it from the edge to the edge. You can actually simply scroll down and copy this. Click copy, and you can paste it into your, let's say, the blank page in your Microsoft Word or into your Google Doc or another files. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also make your Halloween season not only to be spooky and entertaining, but also can give you the information like the history or adding your knowledge. And if you have any requests or feedback, again, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.